How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
5'9", all right. What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, we're gonna answer a bunch of questions that we have from you guys. Number one question we get, how much shorter is a big wheel than a normal dirt bike? So right here we have a 2021 CRF450 chassis with my CR500 motor stuffed into it. This is sitting at stock dirt bike height, if you want to call it that. Then right here we have a CRF450RL with our big wheel kit, 25-inch tires. We've also got a lowering link on here. Now our customer opted for the lowering link. His goal is to get this bike as low as possible for his height. Now the way we're going to do this, I'm going to have my wife hold the bike vertical the best she can. I've just got a piece of 1/4-inch steel here. We're going to rest across the seat. Just hold that right there, babe. Good to go. Now I know we're on a gravel parking lot. It's what we got to work with, but it is as flat as we could make it. You got that nice and straight? All right. We got like 38 inches. Cool. All right. Now I'm going roughly in the lowest part of the seat. Just under 36 inches. Now we always say about 1.5 inch drop, depending on how you set your sag. We're able to go an extra 1/2 inch with that lowering link. So I hope that answers some of your questions. How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
5'9", all right. We kind of already know the 500 is going to be sitting quite tall, so I'm curious if you can get flat-footed. Slide forward a little bit. Almost flat-footed.
Almost.
Cool.
Not bad.
How tall are you?
5'6".
Welcome back, Giovanni.
Welcome back.
All right, so it's your first time on our channel now. You've been in the videos before.
Yeah, here and there.
We just haven't used you as a test rider.
Nah, not yet.
All right, so you're not technically riding, but you're going to sit on it and see how try to hop on it. Well, I feel like you're going to fall. Just avoid it. Yeah, you got it. So you can see the depth in it. All right, so you guys got to see how he was fitting on that. He was basically on his tippy toes. This bike is 2 inches lower. Like, slide forward a little bit on the seat if you can. That's a lot better, dude. That's a lot better. You're almost flat-footed.
And realistically, though, like, you're always with 1 foot down on it.
Yeah.
So it's...
Yeah, so like right there, I mean, just hopping on something for the first time, like being able to get your foot closer to the ground, that's a big deal. Nice. So we've got 5'6", 5'9". I'm about 5'10". You guys have seen me on plenty of bikes. Not too bad. If you're a shorter rider, you have a hard time getting on a full-size motocross bike, you're tired of riding it and maybe falling, install our big wheel kit. It's going to definitely increase traction. Rideability is quite a bit easier. It's a lot comfier in rough, rocky terrain. So something like gravel, rocks, hard Arizona desert, that's where we are right now, and these bikes actually shine out in the desert. Now, the diameter of the tires, let's take this one step further. Now guys, we've got a 25-inch tire, which this one's about 25.5, almost 26. All right. Just about, hard to see from my angle, I'm gonna guess about 26 inches, pretty close. So overall, it's within like a 1/4 inch. So when you go to put this kit on, we've covered it in the last video. We talk about exhaust spacing. We've got this can kicked out with a spacer. We're able to do that with this skinny can to get the proper tire clearance. Now, other things to check is gonna be touching here, and then possibly touching on this mount right here. So that's just things you're gonna wanna double check in clearance depending on your tire size, because I have seen some of our customers go up to a 27-inch back tire or even a 26. We generally like to run the 25s. Now, we've had a lot of requests to actually go with an 8-inch wide back tire because it's not as heavy as this, but you're still gaining that big fat tire, and it will actually lean over and ride a little better in the corners than this fat tire on hard terrain. Now, anytime you have a wider tire, it's a little bit harder to lean the bike over. If you ever rode motorcycles, you can feel it when you're going from, let's say, a cruiser bike to like a crotch rocket. You really are pushing the tire over to try to get over to that edge right there. So if you guys are interested in running an 8-inch tire, let us know. We can basically take the same front size and put it on the rear, and we're planning to do a test on it in the future on possibly that CR500. Hope you guys learned something about our big wheel kits. Check out bvcbigwheels.com if you want any info on these kits. Shoot us an email, give us a call. We'll get you squared away. See you in the next video.